What do I have here? We have a 3-piece 4-in-1 lightning cables, and we have a 1 meter one, we have a 1.5 meter one, and we also have a 2 meter one. I thought I'd get the 1 meter out and explain to you the ends. So we got mode 1, which is USB to lightning. So mode 2 is USB, and we lift this one up here to type C. So mode 3 is lift that one up like that, and you've got type C to lightning. So mode 4 is literally pull that one up, you've got type C, pull the lightning up, and you've got type C. So you've got type C to type C. So at the moment, these 3 different length cables, which is ideal, they're in a flash sale, so they're at an amazing price, and they are literally £10.19. If you spend £20 or more, your delivery would be 3. But if you don't, then all you have to do is spend £3.48 delivery. These are on high demand right now. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put these 3 length cables in that basket below. I promise you now, get clicking.